This afternoon, California Health and Human Services Secretary Dr. Mark Ghaly said about 6.5 million Californians over the age of 65 are now approved for a third shot.
KTVU's Christian Cafton is joining us now live from Zuckerberg San Francisco General Hospital. And Christian, medical providers are gearing up to deliver those doses.
Yeah, that's right. The FDA and now the CDC have given their approval for the Pfizer booster shots. With the CDC director's final approval, shots could start going into arms as soon as tomorrow. The race to vaccinate is entering a new phase as the FDA and now the CDC have given the all clear for booster doses of the Pfizer vaccine. Infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Chin Hong from UCSF says the first booster doses are expected to go to people over the age of 65 and those who have serious medical conditions that could make COVID more dangerous for them.
The CDC recommendations, particularly around immunizations, generally trump everything else because they give guidance. It's a recommendation, but historically speaking, public health jurisdictions, which are local, usually follow CDC guidance.
Right now, only the Pfizer vaccine has been cleared as a booster. San Francisco is one of the cities where a supplemental Pfizer dose is already being used for patients who received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Medical providers are gearing up for a potential surge in vaccinations.
And at UCSF example, they've been preparing for a long time to immunize healthcare workers again with a third shot in the event that this gained approval. So I would imagine that very, very short after the announcement, people can go out and start getting it.
San Francisco's Department of Public Health also says it's ready to accommodate any surge in vaccine demand. At one time, the city and county operated numerous mass vaccination sites. As the number of people receiving the vaccine increased, the city was able to close many centers, instead using a distributed network of vaccine providers to make it easy for anyone looking for vaccine.
The main takeaway is the same infrastructures, access points, strategies, and teams that have enabled San Francisco to achieve one of the highest rates of vaccination in the world are continue to be in place, and we're ready to continue to serve.
Now, a doctor says that the booster shot will likely work well for those who received Pfizer and those who received Johnson & Johnson. He also says the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines both work in similar ways, so people who received Moderna could receive the Pfizer booster. However, there is currently less medical evidence for how well it works for those who received Moderna first. Patients should consult with medical professionals to make sure they're getting the best advice for them. We're live in San Francisco. Christian Cafton, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Yeah, a lot of folks eligible for those booster doses. Christian, thank you.